Did you know that snoring can be harmful for your brain health? According to a research from the University of Paris-Cité, those who snore can be aging their brains by years, and hurting their brain health by depriving themselves of getting deep sleep. White matter hyperintensities are biomarkers that indicate brain health, and they become more prevalent with age. Participants with severe sleep apnea had more white matter hyperintensities than those with mild or moderate conditions. Deep sleep is one of the best indicators of sleep quality, and the study found that for every 10% decrease in deep sleep, the white matter hyperintensities increased, equivalent to the brain aging 2.3 years. Loud snoring and obstructed breathing, often caused by sleep apnea, can lead to higher chance of getting stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and overall cognitive decline.